If you're creating millions of Python objects, you might be wasting gigabytes of memory you never asked for. Here's why. Every Python object stores its attributes in a hidden dictionary called dunderdict. That's powerful. You can add any attribute at any time. But dictionaries carry real overhead. Each instance dict needs hash table buckets, load factor tracking, and pointer indirection. For a class with just 2 or 3 attributes, that dictionary overhead can easily double your memory footprint. Declaring dunder slots changes everything. Python skips the per instance dictionary entirely and instead pre-allocates a compact, fixed-size array. 1 slot per declared attribute. No hash table, no dynamic resizing. Just a tight block of memory holding exactly what you declared. The numbers tell the story. A basic class instance without slots uses around 280 bytes. 48 for the object header plus 232 for its dictionary. Add dunder slots with the same 2 attributes and that drops to roughly 56 bytes. That's a 4-to-1 reduction. The trade-off, you cannot add undeclared attributes at runtime. Python raises an attribute error. But when you're instantiating millions of objects, game entities, past data records, or machine learning feature vectors, dunder slots is one of the highest leverage memory optimizations Python offers. Dunder slots eliminates per instance dictionaries and replaces them with compact fixed arrays. Profile your objects. The memory savings might surprise you. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.